4.1 ratios. I can understand what a ratio is and does.
What is a ratio, Tori?
A comparison of two quantities.
And Tori, what does a ratio do?
It compares two quantities.
So it compares two quantities. So the is and does probably isn't necessarily necessary, but we got it. 3 different ways to write a ratio. Give me the 3 ways to write a ratio, Sarah.
2, and then do the fraction, and then the semicolon.
So you can use the word 2. You can write it as a fraction. And what are these things called again? Colon. Not semicolon, colon. So you can use a colon. Class, should ratios be simplified? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Number 5. I gave you 5 x's. I gave you 4 o's. I asked you what is the ratio of x's to o's. You said there are 5 x's for every 4 o's, right?
Yes.
We expressed it 3 different ways. I asked you a different question. What is the ratio of x's to total number of shapes? You said there are 5 x's for every 9 shapes. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you express it in how many different ways?
3.
3. The last question I asked for you then was take the answer to b here. So take this answer that I'm circling again and convert it into a decimal. And I just go straight to the fraction because you know a fraction is a what?
Division problem.
So I made it into my division problem. Numerator always goes inside the box. Denominator always goes outside the box, right?
Yeah.
You guys actually used that for your cheat sheet, I think, down here on the last one. When in this classroom, anyways, you are calculating a decimal, and it goes on and on and on and on and on. We can always round to the nearest what?
100.
100. And the word problem. Mr. Mills is buying some fruit. I want to know how many kiwi and oranges he bought to the number of pineapples and apples. You guys said 20 to 7, right?
Yeah.
How do you know that he bought 20 kiwi and oranges? Raghav.
Because we added like 12 kiwi and 8 oranges.
So he bought 8 oranges and 12 kiwi. And means what, you guys?
Yeah.
And then 5 pineapple, or 2 pineapple and 5 apples give us 7. I asked you to express that as a decimal just because I wanted you to do the conversion. What number goes, if I'm going to think of it as a division box, what number goes inside the division box? The first number, right? What number goes outside? Marn and Abby were saying you could even take the colon and draw a line between them to show your division. Questions?